Alright, so this is a new or old bike that I went and picked up this morning. It's pretty well used. You know, everything's quite greasy. The tires need to get replaced. As you can see here, the grips are like peeling off and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna be sort of restoring this bike, bringing it back to, you know, a new life. I'm gonna try and make like a gravel commuter type of vibe out of this thing. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna start just stripping all the components off. Nuts up at the top there is kind of shredded. I'm gonna try and make a plan to get that stem off. Then we can get the forks off and yeah, start stripping all the paint off this thing. Okay, so I finally got the front forks off. It was quite a mission to try and undo this head unit here. But yeah, lots of hammering, you know, hammer session, got it done. And then here's the frame. It's all still intact. What I'm going to do now is just test out the paint stripper. Yeah, I'm going to test out the paint stripper on this front fork here. It's just this stuff here. I bought it at B&Q. So yeah, hopefully it works and removes all the paint. It is pretty thick, so you know, it might battle, so might have to do a few coats, but yeah. Okay, so basically I've just gone and prepped all of this stuff, put up this like mini spray booth type of vibe. Alright, so we're finally ready to put some silver paint on here. I've gone and masked off all the areas that I don't want silver paint to go. Yeah, obviously I'm wearing a mask, you know, I'm in a closed area, so yeah, I don't want to die from paint inhalation. So yeah, I'm gonna get spraying with this silver paint. Yeah, and then hopefully we can let it dry, take the tape off, and then go and put some clear coat on. Okay, so after getting everything put back together, you know, spent some time on assembly, waiting for a few parts to come through, got this whole thing put back together, and yeah, it turned out really sick. It rides extremely nicely. It's got such an agile feel to it, and yeah, really, it's really cool build. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna keep this because, you know, it's really cool. So yeah, stick with me. Watch my next video. It's going to be coming out. It's going to be redoing that Schwinn Stingray, just, you know, tidying it up a bit, making it look better. So yeah, that's the end of this build. On to the next one. Cheers.